Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making soffritto. Now this is the foundation of many an Italian dish, comprising of onions, carrots, and celery sautéed together to create a beautiful flavor profile. And I can't wait to show you how to make it. So let's get started. Alright, so let's dive into this recipe. We're going to need 1 medium white onion, 1 celery stalk, and 1 medium-sized carrot. We want to peel and dice all the vegetables into the same size pieces. To speed that process up, you can place the onion, celery, and carrot into a food processor and pulse them until the vegetables are diced. Be careful not to pulse them too much. You want them to small bits and not into a paste. Separately, you want to heat 2 tablespoons worth of extra virgin olive oil in a large frying pan set over medium heat, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Once the oil starts to shimmer, you want to add in your diced vegetables, following that up with half a teaspoon of red chili flakes and a thin sprinkling of salt. You want to saute them all together for about 1 to 2 minutes initially. Now you want to reduce the heat to medium-low and continue to saute the vegetables until they become translucent and fragrant, which should take about another 6 minutes. After that time, we want to add in 1 garlic clove that's been minced, as well as 1 bay leaf, and saute those for 2 more minutes to infuse that flavor. At this stage, you want to remove it from the heat, and then you can transfer this to a serving bowl, and just like that, you've made soffritto right at home. For a variation on this dish, you can try adding diced peppers for a different flavor profile, or other variants of an aromatic herb. But as you saw, this is really easy to make. I hope you give it a try. It boosts any dish that you have, so try it in a soup, a sauce, or a stew. And when you do show us at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 5, Mastering Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this recipe, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week, where I'll show you how to make an amazing French sauce that goes well with about anything. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can always check out more on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.